Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is another new app that pays you money just doing simple thing online. What you just have to do is to watch videos, comment on videos, do surveys, and download app on your phone to earn money on it. So let's go and check how this app works. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this and like these videos, because the more you subscribe and the more you like it, the more I keep uploading legit videos on this website, on this YouTube channel. So now let's go to our so this app it has loaded already. So guys, look at this app right here now. So look at this app right here. So this is everything here, guys. You just have to watch videos to earn money, answer queues, refer people, take surveys, app tags, and what time was. Anyone you feel like doing, you have to do it in this place, and you also earn money. Can you see, guys? I just earned 355 coin. This is what 355 coin. So what you just have to do first is just click on watch videos. So guys, click on watch videos. You have to play videos. So let's wait for the videos to load. If you load video, you are also earning per video it load. So this is the reward. My network is really bad, that's why it did not work. Can you see it? They have given me what plus 5 points. This is what 360 points, because it was 355 points before, guys. Can you see it up here? It's 360 points right now. I also earn massive money in this website. So when you just come here is about what? Games. You just have to play games to earn money, and what do some offer here to also earn money. So let's come to this one here. So let's pick this one. So when you click open, to take it to another website. So this is it. So install and open. When you install and open this app here, they will have to give you what 39 points, 39 pop-up points. So this is what you are going to earn, 39 points. So this one is what install and open and register. You are earning what 996. Can you see it? You'll be earning 996 points. So when you just click cancel, you check more one you can do. So can you see this is what 4,986 points. So this one is what install and open complete to level 16. You're earning 67 what points. So let's go back again. So when you come here now, so this is our what payment. So you can receive your money in any wallet you want. If it's Bitcoin, PayPal, any PayPal you want, Bitcoin. This is what Faucet Pay Bitcoin, because we have this type of Faucet crypto account you can use. This is what Faucet Pay Bitcoin, and this is what Play Store, Google Play gift card, and another was gift card of $10 again. This is what Asphalt Nitro. They are what